advantage over Matt Kenseth now. 16 seconds. 2 miles to victory for Chris Buescher.
Oh, man, this is the longest 2 laps of that young man's career. Thinking about winning, wondering if his teammate's going to come beat him up. I mean, there's so many things going on in his mind right now. Have you ever coasted home to a victory, Kevin?
I've coasted home to a couple of them, but I tell you what, it is very nerve-wracking.
White flag out this time by 1 mile to his 3rd career win.
He can make it home from there, I believe.
Yeah, his advantage 13 seconds. He can coast it all the way to the checkered flag. He wrapped up his teammate. He's the fuel mileage king. Checkered flag in the air. Chris Buescher, 2nd win of the year.